This is a bicycle. Hello, today I'm going to be talking to you about bicycle maintenance, which is the practice of maintaining a bicycle. This is a very useful skill to have, particularly if you own a bicycle. If you don't own a bicycle, maybe not so relevant. If you don't own a bicycle, to be honest, I'm not really sure why you've tuned in. You could probably actually stop watching this, really. There's no pressure either way. But you know, it's not really for you, is it? I don't want to break it to you like this, but what are you doing with your life? So first off, I'm going to take you on a tour de bike. Ha 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 ha! I don't know if you noticed what I did there, but that was a wordplay based on the fact that the Tour de France is a race involving bicycles, and we are talking about bicycles. It's not a real tour, you know. I'm just gonna point at a bike. Like, it's not gonna take weeks, you know, a couple of minutes at most. You know, you don't need any specialist equipment or... In fact, it's a pretty bad analogy, to be honest. Yeah. This is a bicycle, and I'm just going to show you quickly some of the important parts of the bicycle. We've got the saddle here, the handlebars here, the wheels here and here. We have the pedals, the frame and the chain. It's very important as a part of bicycle maintenance and ownership to make sure that all of these parts are there before setting out on a journey. If, for example, the wheels were missing, the bike would not work. Categorically, I can state that it definitely would not work. What I do is I have a mnemonic that helps me remember that all these components that I say to myself every time I set out on my bicycle, and that is shwipfk. So if you just try and remember that every time you put on your helmet and your shorts and whatever, and you go out, just remember shwipfk. Okay, shwipfk. Excellent. Just before we move on to the next section, looking at problems associated with a bicycle, I just want you to admire the design and engineering of the bicycle. It is perfectly suited to the human body. If, for example, the handlebars and saddle were the other way round, it probably wouldn't work. I don't know that for sure, but probably not. Yeah, no, I'm pretty certain. Don't think. It might. Nah, probably not. You should Google it, to be honest. If you're unsure, Google it, like, that'll help.